The OnePlus Ace 3 made its debut at the beginning of this year, impressing users with its performance and features. Not even a year later, rumors about its successor, the OnePlus Ace 5, are already circulating in the tech community. One of the most buzzworthy speculations revolves around its camera system, with a significant upgrade to a 50-megapixel main sensor. In this video, we'll explore everything about this rumored OnePlus model, from its design and display to its features and camera, all with a possible release date. So, let's begin. The OnePlus Ace 5 is rumored to have BOE's innovative X2 OLED display, which is scheduled to debut on the OnePlus 13. This flat panel will have a 1.5K resolution, with no curving corners like some prior models. The same display specs are anticipated for both the base Ace 5 and the Ace 5 Pro. In contrast, the OnePlus Ace 3 sports a 6.74-inch AMOLED display with a 1.5K resolution and a 120Hz refresh rate. While the Ace 3 impressed with its vibrant screen, the Ace 5's rumored X2 OLED could offer enhanced brightness, color accuracy, and energy efficiency. The OnePlus Ace 5 series is set to push performance boundaries with impressive chipset upgrades. The base Ace 5 model will feature the powerful Snapdragon 8 Gen 3, while the Ace 5 Pro is rumored to use the yet-to-be-announced Snapdragon 8 Gen 4. This implies a huge improvement over the Ace 3's Snapdragon 8 Gen 2. We can expect the Ace 5 lineup to retain or improve upon the Ace 3's generous RAM and storage options, likely starting at 12GB and 256GB respectively. The series is also anticipated to carry over the Ace 3's advanced cooling system and high-speed UFS 4.0 storage for enhanced overall performance. The OnePlus Ace 5 series is set to considerably improve photographic abilities. Both the Ace 5 and Ace 5 Pro are projected to have an impressive 50-megapixel main camera with Sony's IMX9 series sensor and a 1x1.56-inch size. This setup will offer better light capture and image quality. In addition to the main shooter, both versions are rumored to have a 50-megapixel telephoto camera, with the Pro version presumably including a periscope lens for enhanced zoom capabilities, a first for the Ace brand. An ultra-wide camera is also planned, though details remain unknown. This triple camera array demonstrates OnePlus's dedication to diverse mobile photography, which might compete with top-tier competitors in the smartphone camera field. The OnePlus Ace 5 series is said to have significant improvements in terms of battery life. Rumors mention that both the Ace 5 and Ace 5 Pro will feature impressive 6,000 mAh to 6,500 mAh batteries. The Ace 3 and Ace 3 Pro packed 5,500 mAh and 6,100 mAh cells respectively. This boost in capacity is attributed to OnePlus's collaboration with CATL on the new Glacier battery technology, which promises increased capacity in an ultra-thin design. Despite the larger batteries, the devices are expected to maintain the rapid 100-watt wired charging capability. This combination of high capacity and fast charging aims to address battery life concerns while minimizing downtime for power users. Both the OnePlus Ace 5 and Ace 5 Pro are anticipated to launch in late 2024 or early 2025, with January 2025 being a likely timeframe. While pricing details are unavailable at this point, we can speculate based on the OnePlus Ace 3's starting price of Chinese yuan 2,599 or roughly $365. Given the significant upgrades rumored for the Ace 5 series, particularly in chipset and battery technology, we might expect a modest price increase. However, OnePlus typically strives to maintain competitive pricing in the premium mid-range market. The OnePlus Ace 5 series promises to be a significant upgrade over its predecessor. From the X2 OLED display to the powerful Snapdragon chipsets, enhanced camera capabilities, and impressive battery life, this device aims to set new standards in the premium mid-range market. The potential improvements in performance, photography, and user experience make the Ace 5 and Ace 5 Pro highly anticipated releases. However, it's crucial to remember that all the information discussed in this video is based on rumors and leaks. Until OnePlus makes an official announcement, these specs and features remain speculative. Thanks for watching. Feel free to share your thoughts on this upcoming smartphone in the comment section. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more.